Wait, you two know each other?
Yes, we're, co-workers.
Hey, it's getting late. I should go.
Okay, what was that about?
Don't you worry about that. You should get some rest.
Yeah, you're right. See you later, Rodney.
Decorated FIB agent Stephen Haynes. The FIB, the police department, the sheriff's office are fighting a war out here every day. In a city where dreams too often become...
Let yourself in, why don't ya?
What on God's green earth are you doing, Ariel?
My assignment, of course.
You were supposed to get info about Albino Ninja. Dalton is my responsibility, and I can handle it fine. Why didn't you report back to HQ?
Albino Ninja found me out and nearly killed me. What the hell was I supposed to do, Rodney?
Well, you seem to be fine now. Just stick with what you're told and stay out of my business.
Yes, sir.
You ready to go to the movies?
Yeah, let's go. I want to get some good seats.
So, you want to come over to my place for some dinner?
Sorry, Dalton, I can't. Something at work just came up. Maybe next time, okay?
Oh. Yeah, sure. Next time.
Hey, last time I checked, you couldn't survive drowning.
I think she got a pair deals on her.
Well then, let's see what happens when we gut her and send her organs back to the boss. It's Red Lightning!
Get him!
about a block away from here. It's an apartment complex.
Alright, we're here. Stay out of trouble.
Okay. Thanks again.
Just doing my job. Why were Albino Ninja's men trying to kill her? She must have some kind of connection with Albino Ninja. I should go in there and see what she knows.
Shit, where is my necklace? No, it's gotta be here somewhere. Where is it?
Excuse me.
Or maybe I dropped it in the alleyway.
Excuse me.
Yeah, it's gotta be there.
Hey.
Listen, can it wait? I lost my necklace. It's really important to me.
No, it can't wait. Lives are at risk. Are you even listening to me?
I'm sorry, I gotta go.
Where are you going? Damn it. Oh well, I'll get her later. You've gotta be kidding me. Her necklace has been in here the whole damn time. Well, maybe if I give it back, I can get some answers out of her. But I gotta play this smart.
Hey Rodney, I need your help. We have a problem.
What kind of problem we talking about here, Dalton?
It's about Ariel. She's been acting really weird lately.
Alright, I'll be right there.
Have you seen her?
What is going on?
It's kind of hard to explain. Come on, she's got to be around here somewhere.
Why did you bring him?
I asked him to come because we're worried about you.
Anyways, do you have it?
Yes.
Give it to me.
We will, but first you need to...
Give me the necklace now!
Oh! I'm going after her.
Ugh, my head.
Well, would you look who's up?
What the hell happened?
We'll get to that in a minute, but first, can I talk to you downstairs? It's important.
Listen, I need to ask you something.
Okay, shoot.
Well, it just seems weird that I cancel our date, get jumped by Albino Ninja's men, Red Lightning saves me. Then I realize I don't have my necklace. Now all of a sudden you have it? What's going on, Dalton?
Alright, I need to come clean. I'm Red Lightning. I've been trying to track down Albino Ninja for 2 years with no luck. And when I saw his men attacking you, I figured you must be connected in some way. Surely you must know of a hideout he uses or something.
I don't know where he is. I've been to his house, but now that he knows I'm alive, I doubt he's even there anymore.
Well, why don't we go ask Rodney, see if he has any connections?
Okay, I'll help you on one condition. I want to come with you, and I want to be your partner in crime fighting.
Looks like I don't have a choice.
You ready to take down the most dangerous man in the world, Siren?
You know it, Red Lightning.